Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove WordPress website from cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. So first of all, open your cPanel and then scroll down and then click on WordPress Manager by softaculous. Before removing my WordPress website, I'm going to show you the example of my website. So here's my basic WordPress website and the domain name is howtounminit.com. Now let's delete WordPress from cPanel, and here is my WordPress website. As you can see, howtounminit.com, and here is the website howtounminit.com. So I'm clicking on this icon here and scroll down, uninstall, and scroll down, remove installation, okay. And now here we can see removing WordPress. The installation was removed successfully. Now if I reload my website, and here we can see the website has been successfully removed from my cPanel. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. Thanks for watching this video.